Morning, guys. Tonight we're going to draw WAZZATS evolved form. His name is houzzat, or houzzat. I'm sure it's houzzat. After engulfing so many memories, WAZZATS become the size of a house. And, well, he has the ability to force people to forget. He has the power to make others forget who they are, like amnesia. It happened in this SpongeBob episode, Who Bob What Pants, otherwise known as Whatever Happened to SpongeBob SquarePants, when he lost his memory and forgot who he was. Eventually, he was the mayor of New Kelp City and became Cheesehead Brown Pants. Cheesehead Brown Pants. Funny. I bet he's made other people forget who they are. He made Pikachu forget his own trainer. That'd be a scary memory. You know what would be scarier? If he made everyone else forget who they are. You know what I'd like to forget? I like to forget that Blue's Clues ever existed. And I also want to forget, and I want everyone to forget that Lily from Aether Paradise even existed. That girl's the worst. Alright, anyways, houzzat's body is in the shape of a square, shape of a cube. Here's the inside of his mouth. And finished. There. That's how you draw a houzzat. He's one of my favorites yokai from the Mysterious Tribe. Definitely friendly. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later.